Each year since I've been doing this YouTube thing and trying my hardest not to be a talking head, I have gotten asked by Unity to do a promotion for their Black Friday sale. You know, the one that starts just after the summer sale ends and before the winter sale begins. Well, this is another sponsored video and there will be links to discounts in the description, but I decided to put a twist into it. You see, the two tools I'm about to show you I generally feel are super useful, and I use the paid ones on the regular, but they can be gotten for free. You have no pressure to feed your habit unless you try them and decide, hey, the paid extras are worth the coin. Hopefully showing you free assets is not going to upset sponsors too much, but I digress. We'll get straight into the video. The first one I wanted to mention is UMotion. UMotion is your friendly animation editor right inside of Unity. But, I hear you say, I can edit animations just fine in the Unity editor without it. Well, look at you with your cube moving across the room. Congratulations. But I have characters in my game, a lot of characters. And if you think I'm editing those in Unity's animation editor, then you might just be having a stroke right about now. Now, I could knock these animations into Blender and get them working there. But the nice thing about animating in Unity is that you have the scene around you to work in. If you want the character to sit in a chair while they're talking, well, that's easily done because the chair's already in the scene. If you want the character speaking to a dog while it enters the train, well, all those parts are there and you don't have to export them. It's all ready to go. So for a quick dive, let's take a look at that last scene I mentioned. Now my character has just entered a subway car and is waiting to depart the station when this little antagonizer enters stage right. Now I have an animation of me holding a row and then talking to that dog that I created with a Mocopi motion tracking system, which I've shown in another video and you can see it via a link in the description. But I didn't quite nail all the positioning and keeping my hands steady while holding the rail. I'm not an actor, you get the point. Now here's the animation beforehand. The hand doesn't stay in one position in the world and the rest could use a little refinement. In UMotion, I pin the hand to the rail, tweak some of the arm positioning to suit my model, and of course animate the fingers because I can't track those yet. I don't have anything for fingers. We'll move on. And here is the character after all of that refinement. Why is he talking to a dog? Well, you'll just have to wait till the game releases or I finally get enough courage up to actually do a devlog. Now, next up, the other tool I wanted to talk about is MeshBaker. If you're making a game where optimization counts, then MeshBaker might be your best friend in squeezing out those last few frames. Let's say you have a car that was made for the character to interact with and get all close and personal with. Now, this car might knock up your batch count in the stats, should you happen to put it in a game where those batch counts count. Well, with MeshBaker and a little tweaking, you can have that count looking a lot lower. It's going to take all those meshes and build you just the one, and you can reduce down your textures as well. So yeah, both of these tools come with free versions for you to use straight away. Just go and check them out in the asset store and I'm going to leave links in the description to them, which is probably a terrible segue to the sponsor of this video and what they wanted me to talk about. So yeah, the sponsor of the video is Unity, who have graciously, and I do mean graciously, just look at my subscriber count, decided to sponsor this little channel. Starting November 19th through December 10th, their Black Friday sale will see more than 300 of their most popular assets, including the ones from this video, go on sale with 50% off, and with daily flash deals getting up to 95% off. I'll leave an affiliate link to the sale in the description should you want to support this channel while you're doing your shopping. Now, most people will have clicked off as soon as I started talking about sponsorships or summing up, and they're now watching the next video while I continue talking. But for the rest of you, let's finish with something YouTubery and possibly dark. Hit like and subscribe, and remember, the only things as devs we truly leave behind are unanswered comments and unfinished games. Oh, and One Piece, because that anime will never finish.